What up, YouTube? Back with a quick update. Just cleaned up my wiring for my 4-channel. As you can see, it's not laying in the trunk anymore. I mounted it as well. There's my battery, my one battery. And here's my 2 grounds over there, the blue ones. I got those ready for my other battery. Got my space ready. And I got my 4-channel. Still have to run this wire, or this RCA's right here. I have to strap those or something. But other than that, mounted it, so now it's out of the way. It's on. Ran the wire for my 6x9, so that's not just hanging in midair anymore. Shout out to Scott Wright. Talking to him earlier, reminded me to clean up the trunk full of spaghetti. All that wire I had hanging around, so now it's all cleaned up. So now I just gotta run my extra battery right there in that space. Also, I'm gonna mount my tweeters in the rear deck. Somewhere in here, maybe. They're gonna be hanging right in here. Both tweeters, or PRV tweeters. So as soon as I get done, I'll post a video. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. So the amp looks way better back there. So until the next one, see y'all guys later.